Villanueva lifted up their game. That was a give me.
And finally, San Miguel breaks their silence, their offensive silence. Pero too little, too late with under a minute to play. And, Ginebra up by 11 points.
We're going to have to keep on fouling, but soon they're going to stop fouling if Ginebra makes those free throws because game over. If he makes this, it's practically game over. 13-point lead, less than a minute.
I will go back to our topic of discussion earlier. San Miguel is on top of the team standings, and Talking Tex is breathing down their necks.
Yeah.
Now with this win by Ginebra, are they placing themselves in the discussion na sino ba talaga pinakamagaling na team sa PBA ngayon?
Well, there's no such animal. Because you remember that in school, no? Sabihin sa'yo ng teacher. I mean, the league itself is based on how you finish. So if you go along, sometimes you come from behind, you don't get your rhythm right away. Gumagaling ka ng gumagaling. This is, if San Miguel goes on to lose this game, it's a lesson for them. Malakas tayo, but we always have to be focused. That's the most important thing. The only reason why, not only naman yung Talking Tex na magaling sila because of their players, but they're really focused on winning right now. They're on the same page. Once you disrupt that being on the same page, you're gonna feel a little frustrated. And Ginebra, this conference, marami silang panalo na masasabi mo by the skin of their teeth. Now, it's either para sa kanila, you may have to pay that back later on. You might have to lose some because siniswerte ka ngayon, or maybe it's their destiny na maganda talaga ilalaro nila itong konferensya na ito.
On the line is Ronald Tubid, JJ Elterbrand, and the rest of the Gin Kings having to make a lot of adjustments, welcoming new faces in their lineup.
You know, he never played a lot of this game, all Filipino, and they held their ground. That zone of theirs really made it difficult for San Miguel to get the easy points.
Which is why, pwede rin pag-isipan na Ginebra's record now is 7-4, and they'll move up to 8-4.
8-4. They're just going
and
to
they've had import issues from the start, even with Ovi Storm.
Yes.
Anyway, sige, pag-usapan namin yan ni Dr. J when we return. .seconds na lamang natitira dito sa ating ball game, and San Miguel will try to bounce back against the Santa Lucia Realtors on Saturday in Ormoc.
They themselves do not have a very good record in their provincial games, but obviously coming from a loss like this, they're going to come out like beermen ready to gush and gulp. Yeah, magagalit yan. Siyempre, masasaktan ka eh. Diba? You have an 8-game losing streak being broken. So the longest winning streak now belongs to the Talking Texters. Huh? And they have Air 21 who broke their losing streak earlier tonight by 1 point. So
San Miguel will no longer give a fouls here.
Yeah, it's useless. It's just prolonging the inevitable.
The agony.
Yeah. And if I were in Ginebra, I would not go and shoot here. Just hold on the ball, get the 24-second shot clock, give them the ball. They might not shoot also on the other end.
Ambrose had that big three-pointer moments ago that was eventually a knockout blow. Here's Washington. He had some bright moments here para sa San Miguel. But Kagiwa and especially Miller, just too much for San Miguel.
Oh! Not gonna be on time? And John didn't like that because he didn't want them to take any more shots. No need for exhibition at this stage.
Well, they're reviewing it. Our officials are reviewing it. So if it counts, our final score will be 106.90. If it doesn't, it will be 104.90. So let's see. Here's the lob pass.
Tignan natin.
Willie Wilson.
Nasa ere. Knockout siguro.
It doesn't count. It doesn't count. So Ginebra wins by 14 points, 104.90. They had a big run in the fourth quarter. Although San Miguel had a rally behind Freeman and Washington and Ontiveros, in the end, Ginebra held on to win. Let's go to Leo Cruz.
Alright, I'm with the best player of the ball game, Willie Miller. Willie Miller, 26 points. Hindi ka talaga nagbibiro kanina nung sinabi mo na nakapag-adjust ka na.
Hindi pa. Unti-unti pa lang. Maganda lang yung ball movement namin. So yung mga extra passes namin yun yung nakakaano ng mga open guys.
Alright, okay. And syempre, alam ko naman talaga na ang daming adjustments within the team, hindi lang sa'yo. And of course, alam ko may plano yung team. May mga step-by-step plans yan. So ngayon, coming off a win over Alaska, now third seed na kayo in the standings. And of course, natalo nyo yung number 1 team in the league. Ano na yung next step nyo?
Siguro, usually naman, game per game kami. So, we will trace yung next game namin as same game na din sa, sa Alaska, sa San Miguel. So, siguro, pagpalano na namin next game namin, which is Rain or Shine yata sa Sunday.
Thank you very much. Congratulations on the win. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miko and Dr. J. Back to you guys.
Parang hindi pagod si Miller. Parang kaya pa maglaro ng mga 2 more quarters.
Nagugulat ako kay Willie ngayon. He usually is a very talkative guy. Parang naninibago talaga siya. Parang nakahanap siya ng bagong bahay. Pero yung mga kapitbahay, hindi pa niya kilala. Kaya ayun yung masyado magsadala.
Naiilang pa ng konti.
Hindi ganyan yan. Madaldal yan.
26 points, naiilang pa yan.
8 assists pa yan.
8 assists, wow.
Pero good luck sa inyo sa Sunday.
Nag-iisip na ito aking panda. Yan ang kailangan pigilan. 26-point performance, Willie Miller. Ginebra winning here. Now, on Friday, pupunta kami sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. As Air 21 faces Talking Text in the first game, and Alaska collides with Beaming Derby Ace in the second game. Lahat yan sa Maynila, Ninoy Aquino Stadium. On Saturday, nasa Ormoc City naman ang PBA as Santa Lucia faces San Miguel. Naku, baka sila ang pagbuhusan ng galit ng San Miguel Beermen. That's happening on Saturday for Phoenix Fuel PBA on tour. Again, today, Air 21 winning over Barraco Energy Coffee 99-98. Just moments ago, Ginebra winning over San Miguel 104-90. For Leah Cruz, my partner, the good Dr. J. Andy Howe, I'm Miko Halili saying goodnight. From the Big Dome, well out the Filipinas, this is the PBA on Solar TV.